Guten Morgen, and today is day 48 of our long cycle journey. We are currently in the remote corner of Assam and the outskirts of Tinsukia, and we are heading to a new place, Chapakoa. It's in the border between Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. We are looking forward to this new, even more remote corner of India.
So basically, if you want good vegetable, fresh vegetable, you have to wake up early and come to the market in the morning time because all the fresh vegetables come in the morning time. दिखाओ ब्लैक पाउडर क्या बोलते हैं इसको
इंग्लिश में ब्लैक पाउडर
रेड चिली आई थिंक
भुज जलकिया
कौन सा बोलते हैं इसको
इसको हिंदी में बोलता है भुज जलकिया
भुज जलकिया and this chili used by the DRDO, the Defense Research Institution,
सिर्फ ये आसाम में
for the atom bomb, and you only can get in Assam. This is called bitter gourd, and this is also a very good vegetable. Especially, it's called natural anemo. Once you have it early in the morning, empty stomach, you need to stay close to the toilet and you detox your food. And without fish, the SMS dish are not complete. कौन सा variety है भैया ये? It's a big market for the small fishes and the live fishes. This is not just a vegetable market, but they also sell, and everybody is busy having the fresh vegetable. You can see the pulse in the market. Everybody is busy. This is how the local economy grows. Every blog, if you see in the combination, so that is how they all different sort of. Assam also a land of immigrants. This man who is working here, he's from the Bihar, from Chhapra district, and since last 40 years he's into the bamboo art. I'm wondering why this big basket, but you know that this is for the tea estate. So what are the fresh leaves plucked by the tea laborers? They keep it in this and then they ship to the factories.
So the Brahmaputra river is called the Sangpo in Tibet, and it runs parallel to India in Tibet, and then makes an almost 90-degree U-turn to enter India in Arunachal Pradesh. I think in a place called Tuting or something. And then it comes and all them it's called different names in Assam and in Arunachal, but they all the different tributaries come together to form the Brahmaputra, and they enter Bangladesh. In Bangladesh they're called as Jamuna and Padma, if I'm right, and it goes and empties itself in the Bay of Bengal.
What is this? Can you guess? Give answer. So tonight we are staying in a homestay with local family, and we are super excited because this part of country looks very different what we have seen since last couple of days. This is the road.